Powerful, compact, reliable. Introducing the ACE-27 Mini Excavator built for farms, construction, garden maintenance, and heavy-duty digging jobs. Powered by a strong KUBOTA EURO5 engine with 18.2 kW performance, this machine delivers smooth operation, fuel efficiency, and long-lasting durability. 2.7-ton compact excavator. EPA and CE certified. 18-month warranty. YANMAR KUBOTA engine options. Variable displacement piston hydraulic pump. Load sensing hydraulic valves. 2-speed piston crawler motor. Standard boom swing side. Telescopic chassis included. Fully closed cabin available. Custom colors supported. Whether you're working on farms, landscaping, trenching, or construction projects, the ACE-27 handles every task with precision and power. Its multifunctional design and advanced hydraulic system provide excellent digging force, smooth rotation, and stable performance even in difficult terrain. Built with high-quality core components and backed by more than 5 years warranty on the engine system, this excavator is made for long-term reliability. Factory direct from China mainland. Video inspection and machinery test report provided. Export ready worldwide. Upgrade your work efficiency today with the ACE-27 Mini Excavator. Contact us now for price, customization, and shipping details.